New owner's supposed to be getting here Thursday. They're gonna look everything over, and I want them to have the best experience. RV buying process is stressful enough because we want to treat people the way we want to be treated. These are big purchases. I think it's really important. Hey everyone, thanks for joining us on a video regarding the sale and purchase of a new motorhome. Now, if you've been watching us, you know we've been looking for a new motorhome. We do have a deal on one. We'll be doing a video about that later on. So if you want to know about that, please make sure you subscribe, notification bells on. That way you get notified when that video is out, as well as all the upgrades and where did we get it from, and what was the buying process, travels, all that. We have a lot of videos coming out, but this video is a little bit different. This is regarding the sale and the PDI process that we're doing on our motorhome to get it ready for the new owner. Now, hopefully you are following our adventures, and when the whole process of us selling this thing, we did sell it in less than 24 hours. Actually, I think around 12 hours we sold it. The buyer is coming in from Florida. I don't know if the buyer has experience in motorhomes or RVs. I will find that out. But we want to make it the best experience for him because we want to be treated the same way. Hopefully when we pick up our motorhome, it's the best experience for us. So here's some of the things that we're going to do. Now, one of the advantages that we have is that we regularly use Nellies. We've talked about this in other videos. One of the most important things are, of course, the maintenance. If something breaks, fix it. Things break. There's no motorhome that is perfect. If you've been around motorhomes or RVs in general, you know it doesn't matter if it's $10,000 or $3 million. At some point, something is going to break. It's going to have to get repaired. The big difference is when they're $3 million motorhomes, it's a lot more expensive to repair. This one's no different, guys. At this point right now, she's zeroed out. Could go down the road in 2 weeks and something may break. Eventually, something will break. But want to make sure the new owner knows what to look for, what to expect. If something does go wrong, have a good feel and understanding of this motorhome. So what are some of the things that I have done to make sure that it's as zeroed out as possible when it goes to the new owner? So the first thing, all the outlets. Make sure all the outlets work, whether that's inside, in the bays, under the bed, in the bathroom. Are all the outlets working? Now, being that we do use this motorhome a lot, we know all the outlets are working. Most of the outlets are being used, but we're still going to go and test them. We're going to try to hit all the major things on this motorhome. So next big one is going to be the HVAC units, right? The ACs, the heat pumps, the furnace. Is all that working? Yes, we have run them. They're all working. All the filters have been cleaned. The condenser coils are all been cleaned. The furnace itself, I vacuumed everything out. Everything is in working order. Of course, I want to make sure everything has been cleaned out regarding any valuables or any items we have on here. But more importantly, we did a deep cleaning. So that includes steaming the carpets, cleaning out all the sinks, countertops, and the drawers. One of the tools that we use is the sponsor of this video. Is going to be Release Cleaner. Now, we use Release Cleaner. The cleaning is not as dramatic in here because this has never been really dirty in here. But I want to show you a little bit of video how we used it while we're on the road. Look at this, guys. You see the drastic difference. This is what it's supposed to look like. This is what MJ's car normally looks like. You might be asking, how do we get like that, guys? We use a simple cleaner. We're going to take this opportunity to thank the sponsor of this video. It's going to be Release Cleaner. You can get results like this, guys, in seconds. And we did this before we came on camera. We purposely left the driver's side of this bumper dirty because we want to show you Release Cleaner, which is an all-in-one cleaning solution. Now, if you watched our channel, you know we've used Release many times, guys. It's safe on all surfaces, paint, glass, wheels. It truly is an all-in-one cleaner. We use to clean our roof, jewelry,
you cleaned shoes, grease out of your jeans.
Grease out of my jeans. And people love when we do these live demonstrations. We're going to make this whole bumper look like the clean side. So the formula in Release, what it does, it associates with the dirt. I'm using it now with the foam dispenser. If you don't want to use a foam dispenser, you can also use a spray bottle. I'm going to show it over here quickly and spray on here. And I'm going to let it work for a couple of seconds. You can already see how it's working. It's associating with the dirt. What's nice about Release, guys, is that it's made in the USA. There's no sulfurs, dyes in it. And I think it's had enough time to work. So if you want to towel me, hon. If you want to... I didn't say throw a fastball at me.
That was lefty too, by the way.
You want to towel me. Why it's awesome, guys, you know, when we're on the road, get all those bugs in front. But it's not only for RVs, guys. We're going to demonstrate how easy it is to use on a car, or really anything. The results are the same. So this has been working for, I don't know, a minute or so. This is a clean towel, guys. It's just stained because we've used it so many times. But I'm just going to quickly wipe. There's no camera tricks here, guys. I'm just going to show you how quickly and how easily this releases the dirt. Ew. There it is. So it's going to go one more time.
God, my
flip it
car
over on
needed
this.
a clean.
Oh, her car's really bad.
So bad.
Just look over here. One-stop shopping, super easy. Look how easy that is to clean. I was gonna go one more time over here. Now, obviously, this car is extremely dirty, so I'm gonna have to just wipe it one more time. And just look, guys, how quickly that was to clean up. Super simple. Really a savior on the road if you just want a quick cleanup. You can get release in all different sizes. The most economical is going to be the 1 gallon concentrate. It's going to make 80 32-ounce bottles at the strongest solution, which is what I'm using here. It's a 1 part release to 20 part water. That's our preferred solution. It's going to cost you a little over $1 per bottle. If you're on an RV and you want to carry a lot of bottles, just get that 1 gallon concentrate, 80 32-ounce bottles. Also, since you've seen it on our channel, go to releasecleaner.com, use the discount code ENDLESS10, gets you 10% off of your purchase, plus any purchase over $100 is going to be free shipping. Again, made in the USA. It's a great company. Our subscribers love it. We want your feedback for people that are using Release. Put in the comments below what has been your result. You can see, guys, we just did it here live in less than a minute. That's the result. If you want more information on Release, if you want to pick up a bottle, we'll put the link down below. So that's how we use Release on MJ's car. Pretty dirty, right? But we used it in here to clean really any surface, whether it's the upholstery, inside of the cabinets, on the countertops, it doesn't really matter. Deep cleaning, including steam cleaning of the carpets, really important. Next major thing is running all the slides in and out, making sure the slides are opening correctly, making sure they're sealing correctly. Now, this makes it a little bit easier for us. Newmar has very reliable slides. We were just at the Newmar Service Center in December having all the slides readjusted to spec. Nothing has changed since then. They're all functioning and they're all working correctly. Talk about the next major part of a motorhome or RV are the appliances. Are all the appliances working correctly? So the microwave, the stove, the refrigerator, those are big ones. Also included in there the TVs. We have 4 TVs in here. Are they all working? Are the Blu-ray players working? All really important stuff. Everything checks, they are all working. Next major thing is the water. So on city water, on the pump, are there any leaks in the bays? Are there any leaks underneath? Is everything working? Is the water heater working? Is the pump working? Are we getting water everywhere that we need? All the faucets, the toilet, is it leaking? Is it working? Those are all good. Again, it's easy for us because we own this motorhome and we use it. So if there's ever an issue, we resolve it right away. We don't like surprises on the road. We don't like surprises before we're getting ready on a trip. So it's easy for us. These are all working. Next one's a big one, an important one. Is our liquid spring working? Is it working appropriately? Is the true earth leveling working? High, low, sport mode, is that all working? Yes, it is. Levelers, front and rear leveling, is that working? I'm also going to check the auto gen start. I'm going to check the generator, make sure that that's running. Talk about the next thing is going to be all the seals. It's going to be the roof. Although we have a maintenance-free roof, but anything up on the roof, make sure everything's good. Where the caps meet, this silicone seal, check all that. Now, all the body seals also. So I did go around this whole coach with a ladder, inspecting each area, but inch by inch, under the slide toppers, under the awning, everywhere. Wherever there's a seal, I checked it. Needed to be touched up, I scraped it up, touched it up, but I'm really good with that. We also have our yearly leak test that we do every year. We have the certificates for that. It's actually slowed down now, but we've been having some real downpours the last 2 days, and I think another day, and she is dry as a bone inside. Of course, we want to check all the fluid levels on the motor oil specifically, as well as the generator oil, all the other fluid levels. Again, we had all our fluids changed, transmission, radiator, brake, diff fluid, all that done September of last year. That stuff we're not going to check, but the oil, transmission, and generator oil, it's all been checked and is up to level. Next thing that I'm checking is going to be all the lights, turn signals, marker lights, brake lights, headlights, are all those working? The air horn, the regular horn, is that working? They're all working, they all check out, as well as the tire pressure. Now, the nice thing with the tire pressure is we do have the TPMS. It is a little bit cooler today. We normally keep it at about 95 pounds. That still was last set, but we're close to 80 degrees. It is like only in the high 50s today, so it's a little bit lower. Depending on the owner comes to pick it up, whatever, I might put a little bit of air. Not really a big deal, because as he heads down south, it's going to warm up. Really important, one of the selling points of this motorhome were the extensive maintenance records, the manuals. We have all that. We also have the paperwork for the extended warranty on both the chassis as well as the tire service. We have the lifetime warranty for the roof. It's all been laid out. Everything is here, as well as the title. So when the new owner comes here, they can look everything over. New owner is supposed to be getting here Thursday in the afternoon. They're going to look everything over, wire us the money. Once we have that, they are the new owner. Title will be signed over. Here to answer any questions for all of Thursday, and we welcome them to stay Thursday night into Friday. They're going to leave back down. They have a pretty long drive, but we're going to have them hooked up. We're going to have water running into it. Here to answer any questions, because I don't know if they own another motorhome, if they even own an RV. If you're going from nothing to this, it is a big learning curve. The learning curve, if you're going from a trailer to this, because that's what we did. And I want them to have the best experience, because here's the thing. If you don't understand what you're getting into, there may be user error that causes problems, maybe break something. There may be something that there's nothing wrong with it, but the new owner just doesn't know how it works. Want to let them know how you level, how we've leveled properly and quickly. Slides, the process, how to put these slide locks on, making sure that the seats are cleared before you open up the slides. All things that we've learned over time has become muscle memory. And it's going to be a lot for them to take in, but at least I know that we let them know. They know what they have to do. And then whatever they do on their own is really on them. But we want to give them that knowledge. That way they have the best experience. And of course, we want to answer any of their questions. You may be saying to yourself, why are you doing all this? Why are you doing? I think it's really important. The RV buying process is stressful enough. We've been through it. We've been looking at a lot of RVs. You can see the dealers that care and the dealers that just want to make a sale. We're buying our next motorhome from a dealer that cares, one that has taken the time, one that has answered multiple questions, one that has gotten us answers on questions that they couldn't answer, one that's taken care of any issues that we have found, that inspection has found. This is really important, and we're going to detail that whole buying process. It's really how dealers should be doing it, and so far it's been great. But we want to have that same mutual respect for whoever's buying from us, so they have a really good experience, because we want to treat people the way we want to be treated. These are big purchases. Even ours that's used, it's a big purchase, and we want that person, the new owner, to have the best experience possible. In the comments below, what was your PDI process like when you were selling? When you were buying? Did you stay at the campground overnight or at the dealership overnight? Did they answer all your questions? Was there a lengthy orientation? We want your feedback. Also, to the left of us, if you like videos like this, we're gonna put our RV buying tips playlist. We're gonna put our RV tours playlist. And for myself and MJ, it's a journey of a lifetime, and we'll see you on the road.